It's an introduction, a tutorial on how to use my algorithm. So you're going to arrive here on TradingView, right? You have your account. I've added you to the algorithm, and now you're going to go over to indicator and strategies. And then you're going to select invite only scripts, and you will see one of those or both of them if you have the ultimate package. I'm going to show you the first one, the standard one. Okay, you're going to select this, and you will start seeing some, buy and sell on the chart with this, crypto alerts showing at the top. What we're going to do first is that we're going to change our candlesticks to Heikin Ashi in order to better see the trend. Okay, we want to see how the trend goes, and then we're going to select 1 day time frame. Basically what it means is that each one of those candles is 1 day, and the algorithm is looking at, each day, can we buy or sell? Can we buy or sell? And as you can see here, for example, it said we need to buy, and it was on December 22nd. And then it rose, right, until here, January 10th, so 60% almost, right? That's very good. Now you can actually see what's happening on a daily time frame. You could also go on the 2 day time frame. So every 2 days, it's gonna, check if we can buy or sell. You can also go to the weekly one, especially for Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the top 5. I would say the the weekly time frame is good. For all the other coins, all the other stocks, ETFs, and everything, I would recommend starting with 1 day, and trying to see if 2 days is fine, 1 week is fine. Sometimes it's 1 month for stocks that have been there for like a couple of years. All right, so I'm gonna go back to 1 day. We want to stick with 1 day for now, and I'm gonna create an alert. I'm gonna click on create, and then head over to condition, and I'm gonna see here CryptoEddy alerts. I'm gonna select that. Then below, I'm going to select alert function calls only, and this will basically create an alert for both the buy and sell at candle closed. So it's gonna wait for the candle to be closed. So at the end of the day, it's gonna check, oh, can I buy now or can I sell? And it's going to send an alert here on TradingView. Okay. If you have the app, I would suggest you to actually get the app, because you won't have your laptop or desktop all the time. So you can just check your mobile phone and see what's going on if you have a buy or sell that's coming up. You can also send an email if you prefer. And that's basically it. For you, maybe you'll have to put on an expiration time. Make sure that you put this as far as possible, because you don't want to come back every 1 week to extend this expiration time. No, you want it to be like a month or maybe 2 months if you can, depending on your plan on TradingView. Okay, and that's it. You create it, continue, and basically this, at the end of the day, so it's 10 hours remaining, it should say buy. Now, because it's crypto, we're looking at Bitcoin, it can also go down. But if at the end of the day we're still seeing this label buy, then you will receive an alert. Okay, so that's for the standard alert. Now we can look at the other alert, the custom one, this one. Custom alert, I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to hide this one. So if you subscribe for the custom alert, it's the exact same process, but you have more options. So I'm going to remove this. Yes. And I'm going to create another alert. And I'm going to select CryptoEddy custom. Again, you can also use this for stocks, ETF, Forex. It works, no problem. And here you're going to have two options. Either you want to set up a long, so buy when it's low, a long, alert, or you want to create a sell, a short one. So you want to short the market whenever it's high, okay? So I'm going to start with the long one. And right here, you're going to have four options. Either I'm not even going to talk about this one because it's only going to trigger once and you want it to be automated. So I'm going to start with this one. Once per bar. So for each bar, it's going to it's going to check if there's a buy or sell. I mean, if there's a buy, sorry. It's only buy here. And if there's a buy, it's going to trigger it right away. So imagine we are at the beginning of the day and there's a buy. It's going to trigger it, but sometimes it can go back down, right? So middle of the day, oh, the price goes down and it's not a buy anymore. So that's why you have to be very careful with this one. Now, because it's one day, sometimes it's enough because like you have the whole day to make sure that the price is right. But sometimes it triggers too early, so be careful. This one is probably the best one, the safest one, is when you wait for the candle to be closed, and once the candle is closed at the end of the day, it's going to trigger the alert. So I'm going to go ahead with this one. Expiration time, you need to make sure that it's 1 month, 2 months further. And in case you have a premium account or a pro account, then you just keep this one open-ended so that you don't have to come back and extend that expiration time every day, not every day, but all the time. Now you want to get the notification on the app. That's very good because you don't have to remain on your laptop or your desktop. And you can also send an email if you want. And here is where it gets interesting. If you click on this webhook, you can actually connect this with 3 commas would allow you to create trading bots for you. So that's a good one. You can also connect it with anything that you have on your side. So that's a very powerful feature here. And then you give it a name, buy BTC, for example, and alert fired. Or in case you're using trading 3 commas, sorry, you would need to put here a message. Okay. So I'm going to create this one. That's the custom. All right. And I'm going to create another one with the same custom, but I'm going to put on a sell short. Once per bar, again, it's going to send a notification to the app, and I want to sell BTC. And sell now, for example. That's it. We have our 2 alerts. You're going to receive an alert when this label shows up, a buy, and you're going to receive an alert for sell when this label shows up on the chart. And that's the exact same process with any pair of crypto, any stocks, any ETF and Forex. I hope you enjoyed this and become financially free.